Hello everybody, welcome back. So I've been busy watching the ultimatum and doing chunks and chunks of granny square. I didn't know these things can get so addictive, but they do. Like, look at this, and I'm not done. Wow. Oh, they've been keeping me busy. So I've got a pile of them, and listen, I've got a series coming up only about granny squares. We'll see what we're going to do with this and come up with something pretty. I just wanted to show you the different colors I got up to. Let me just put them back in sequence. And then I was watching the ultimatum while I was doing these granny squares, guys. Let me tell you, it's messy there. It's messy with the ultimatum. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Like, and we move because a lot is going on. I'm gonna talk about these granny squares. We've got like different colors. I love how you can do like solid colors with them. I got the solid white, solid green, and the mix of yarn that I have. And I can mix the colors as well, like green and white, white and green, but like it's the same yarn but in different patterns. So I can actually make like white, green, green, white, white, green, whichever way. And this one with the mix, the white, the green, yeah, there's a lot to do with these ones. I'm gonna weave in the ends during the week. We'll do that together as we can see what we can put together with all of these. Surprise. That's gonna be a surprise for next week. Yeah, ish, guys, like interesting times. The ultimatum, what a wow. Anyway, see you guys next week. Your mouth will fail.
Very happy.
But I'm gonna come out as a bad person.
What makes you feel like you'll come out as a bad person?
Because like maybe I'm doing too much with you. Like I'm showing off maybe or something. I don't know.
You're just doing what feels right. Do you understand? Do you?